Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is non-aligned news agencies and their downfall. Non-aligned movement (NAM) as an idea was developed by three world leaders: Nehru of India, Tito of Yugoslavia, and Nasser of Egypt. In the year 1945, the idea was formulated into a mutual cooperation system which was based on the concept of non-aligned. All of this was happening during the Cold War era and the two major power blocs of the world, Soviet Union and United States, were forming alliances and consolidating their power through other smaller nations in any case of confrontation and war. Many nations around the world had already been part of the wars, two world wars, and were aware of the consequences it entailed. The non-aligned movement was therefore born out of a desire not to become involved in the East-West ideological confrontation and instead focused on important matters that lay in hand: national independence struggles, the alleviation of poverty, and economic development of underdeveloped and developing nations. These principles were adopted at the founding Non-Aligned Summit in Belgrade in 1961. In the beginning, NAM consisted of 25 members in the year 1961. It has now expanded to include 115 developing countries, which constitute nearly two-thirds of the United Nations. The 10th summit in Jakarta in 1992 adopted the Jakarta Declaration, which laid out the future direction and priorities for the movement. In the past, NAM was purely a political movement. Today, economic cooperation is also given priority. A call was made to further enhance South-South cooperation. Common problems like the increasing population, unemployment, foreign debt, and poverty are identified as the priorities. A crucial question in today's age of mass media and real-time communication is that, are the non-aligned nations technically connected? From 1975 to mid-1990s, the non-aligned news agencies pool, NUNUP, existed. Its model was based on mutual cooperation among news agencies of non-aligned countries. The NUNUP was initially led, founded, and supported by Yugoslavia's Tanjung and gathered many state-owned news organizations, especially in Africa and Southern Asia. The NUNUP was founded in late 1974 and started operation in January 1975. Initially, with a series of wires with statements and congratulations by the supporting heads of state. The idea responded to many calls for a new balance in world news made since the early 1970s by the non-aligned movement during debates for a new world information and communication order, NUCO. Later, their discussions would be hosted by UNESCO and would culminate in the approval of the McBride Report in its 20th conference in Belgrade 1980. NANAP operated as an international collaborative, charges free, and institutional cooperation between news agencies of the Third World. Thank you.